Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to share my first self-published online book, My Phoenix Journey. Yes, this is my journey. This is my river, just like a phoenix bird. And this is my success story, how I achieved my success after a lot of failures. So I think my story can inspire anyone who is gonna read my book. And I think most of my readers are not interested in someone else's story or who is not a famous personality, but anyone's story can change your life. Do you have any idea about that? Any book can change someone's life. Any book can be a great story, great inspiration for someone. So don't miss this opportunity. Just read my book, order it online, and then get inspiration from my book to succeed in your life. And my book is available. I already shared with you the self publication companies very famous: Amazon, KDP, Lulu Publication, and Notion Press. These three companies I have shared my book. And if you can't click the link I'm sharing with you, you can search my name and my book's name, My Phoenix Journey by Choitra Chatterjee, on Google. Then also you can get the links. I hope my story will help most of my readers to overcome their failures, their fears, to get their success. I want to share my experiences, my life experiences, my traveling experiences with my readers and viewers and subscribers, of course. So I can't wait anymore for your reviews. Thank you so much for watching.